Hey, good evening and welcome to the final week of our course. I just want to say thank you so much for being a part of World History 1. I hope that you have enjoyed it and that you have found the uh, beginning of our civilizations to be interesting and maybe confusing, but also that you have the privilege of being able to say that you've learned something along the way that would hopefully allow you a better understanding of how we got to where we are today. So for this week's assignment, it is a little bit different. So I want to encourage you to please make sure you pay attention to how this is going to work. You have two assignments to close out this semester. Number one, the first assignment that you have is to complete a TED Talk. So you're going to watch this video on the story of David and Goliath, which kind of talks about how the story of history is weaved through various aspects that makes history extraordinary. After viewing the video, there's an analysis that you can use. You can use this um, TED Talk worksheet. You can write on it. You can make an editable PDF, or you can do a Google document, Word document, however you want to do it. Just make sure you number specifically how, which question is what, and just give the details as found in the assignment. So it's not a difficult assignment, but it is one that is interesting, and I'm a big fan of TED Talks. They're short, interesting, and this one I really enjoy. So hopefully you do as well. So fill that out. That's due by Sunday night at 11:55. And then the other assignment is going to be your final exam that will be due, and that is due by December the 13th. And now, sorry, let me just come on down to here. It's due by December 13th. It is essay driven. And please note that when you're doing these essays, that at the end of each essay, there is what I need you to put on there, because there's minimum word counts. And you'll want to put parentheses, word count, and then give me the number of words. The best thing you can do for your final exam is just kind of go back and review where we've been. Look at the highlights and the themes of the chapters. You really want to focus on the idea of what caused civilizations to rise, what caused civilizations to fall, kind of what happened in between, what's the major themes of each civilization. So that your final exam is due by December the 13th. And so I need you to have it due by 11:59 December the 13th, which gives me an opportunity to have everything graded and back by the 14th. Okay. So as always, if you have any questions, if there's anything that you need of me, please do not hesitate to reach out. When I'm finished with the grades, final grades, I'll send you an email or a video and letting you know that everything's confirmed. I hope you have a wonderful week. I'm very proud of you and the work that you have done. And go out and do something great for somebody. I appreciate you.